Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching Star Technology 5G. In today's video we will study the how to interface LCD with microcontroller. So let's start the video. How to interface LCD. There are two modes of LCD connecting with microcontroller, 8-bit mode and 4-bit mode. The appropriate mode is selected at the beginning of the operation in the process called initialization. The 8-bit LCD mode uses output D0 to D7 to transfer data, and 4-bit mode only use 4 higher bit D4 to D7 for communication, while other may be left unconnected. There are two modes in LCD. We can interface with microcontroller, 8-bit mode and 4-bit mode. In 4-bit mode we can only use 4 pin of the microcontroller to interface the data, and in 8-bit mode we use 8 pin of the microcontroller to interface the data with the LCD. Initializing the LCD in 8-bit mode. Set function DL is equal to 1 8-bit mode and DL is equal to 0 4-bit mode. In today's video we will use the 8-bit mode, so we will select the 1. Character format 1 is equal to 5 by 10 dots and 0 is equal to 5 by 7 dot, and we will use the character format 1. So we can set the DL is equal to 1. Here we can use 0, and character format we will use the 1. Here is the code we will send to the LCD to initialize its 8-bit mode. Here is the code of the cursor display. DC is equal to 1 display shift, 0 is equal to cursor shift, R over L, 1 is equal to shift right and 0 is equal to shift left. So we will use this code 00001110. It will on the display and it will show the cursor on. How to interface character LCD. Project description. In this project we will use the 16:2 character LCD, and LCD is connected with port C, and EN, RS and RW pin of the LCD are connected with RD0, RD1 and RD2 pin of the port D of the PIC 16.007 microcontroller, and the microcontroller operated with the 4 MHz crystal. We can use the port number C to send the data, and we will use the 3 other pins for enable pin, RS pin and for RW pin. Circuit diagram. Here is the circuit diagram we will use in our project. Pin number 14 and 13 are interface with a crystal. We are using 4 MHz crystal and we are using 22 PF capacitor. Pin number 1 is master reset, and you can see here is the port number C. We are using 8 pins of the LCD. Here is the pin number E, interface with RD0. RD1 is interface with pin number RW, and RD0 is interface with RSW. Pin number 3 is contrast. Pin number 2 is positive supply, and pin number 1 is ground. So let's write circuit in Proteus, and after that we will write its code in MPLAB. friends, circuit is ready. Now we will write its code in MPLAB, and after that we will test this circuit. Friends, main file is ready. I already wrote a code, otherwise video get very long. I will copy this code and I will paste it. I will explain you the code. Here is the PIC16F7 bit configuration. Here is the XC header file, and that is the PIC16F7 header file. Here we define a crystal frequency. We are using 4 MHz crystal. Here we define a LCD on port number C, and here we define pin EN at RD0 pin. Pin RW is equal to a RD1 pin, and pin RS is equal to a RD0 pin. Here is the function of the LCD initialization. Here is the function of the LCD command. Here is the function of the LCD data, and here is the function of the delay. And from here main code is start. In main code we will set the TRISC is equal to a 0x00, that is the hex value. We will set port C as a output port, and after that we will set RD0, RD1 and RD2 is equal to a 0. We will set its direction as a output port. After that we will set the LCD initialize function. Here is the function of the LCD initialize. We will call that function. Here is the function, you can see void LCD initialize void. First of all we will take delay. We are taking 200 millisecond delay. After that we will send the LCD command 0x34. Here is the code of the 0x34. I already explained you. For one we will set the LCD 8-bit mode, and next we will set the character format 5x10, and here we will set the LCD command 0x0e, that is display on, cursor on, and here we will send the clear LCD command. If there is any data on the LCD, they will clear. And here is the function of the LCD command. You can see we will set unsigned char x, that is the variable. Any data we will send, and this function it will come here. We will set that x to the LCD, and in LCD interface with the port number C. We will set RS is equal to a 0, RW is equal to 0, and we will set EN is equal to a 1. After that we will take some delay. After that we will set EN is equal to a 0, and it will transfer the command. And when we will send to the data to the LCD, that is the function of the send data to the LCD. You can see any data we will send here. You can see here we set LCD data S. Any data we will write on the inside the comma, it will display on the LCD. You can see here we can send S to the LCD data. It will come here on this variable. After that we will send that data to the LCD. We will set RS is equal to a 1, RW is equal to a 0, because we don't want to read any data from the LCD. After that we will set en is equal to a 1. We will take some delay and we will set en is equal to a 0, and it will show data on the LCD. You can see there is only a difference between writing command and writing data. We will set rs is equal to 0, it means that is the command, and when we will set rs is equal to 1, it means it's a data to be displayed. And at the end we have function of the delay. Anytime we will set in this ms delay, it will come here, and we are using another variable named z, and it will less than the s, and we are using that variable into a for loop, and it will create some delay. Now we will write s, after that we will write t, after that we will write a, and after that we will write r. So we will send that 4 bit on the LCD, and it will show data star on the LCD, and after that it will stay here. Now we will create its hex file. Just click on build main project. Main file is ready. Hex file is created. Now we will load this file into our project. Double click on the controller, set hex file, desktop, LCD, 8-bit LCD mode. Here is the hex file. This extension of the hex file is equal to a .hex. Open, OK, and run simulation. You can see it display star. If you want to change any data, any data you will write in this comma, it will display on the LCD. You will copy this line. Technology. Now it will write technology on the LCD. We will create its hex file. File is created. Open the circuit, stop, double click on controller and select hex file. Here is the hex file. Open, OK, and run on the simulation. See same code. I write 0, some small, and big. Create again a hex file. File is created. Stop, double click and select hex file. OK, OK. As you can see here, write technology on LCD. Okay friend, if you have any problem in code, let me know in comments, and keep watching Star Technology 5G.